So students, in this lecture, we'll take one more problem. The statement of the problem is find the open loop transfer function of a system whose approximate plot is as shown. So we'll see that. Then the solution is, we'll find out, okay, log of w. Then this will find, okay, log of w. So we have here the figure shown. You can see this is 2.5 corner frequency. There is one more 10 corner frequency. This is one more 25 corner frequency, and this line is corresponding to 1 decibel. So we have see the corner frequency solution will go. The corner frequencies are omega 1 is equal to 2.5, omega 2 is equal to 10, omega 3 is equal to 25. Okay, so omega 1, omega 2, omega 3. Change in magnitude in decibel. So we'll see how much is a change in magnitude in decibel, which is equal to slope into number of decades per between two frequencies. So it is slope into number of decades between two frequencies. So we can see the change in magnitude in decibel is slope into number of decades between two frequencies. So we can see the change in slope is minus 20. So how much is the change in slope here at this point? It is minus 20. So minus 20 log of 2.5 minus log 1. Log of 2.5 minus log 1, because this point is starting from 1. So you can see here it is starting from 1. So log of 2.5 minus log 1. So minus 20 log 2.5 minus 0, which is minus 20 log 2.5, which is minus 7.95. Minus 7.95. Okay. Then next. So then how much is 20 log k? Which is minus 4.05. Due to that k is 0.63. Since first line has a slope of minus 20 dB per decade and starts from a point minus 4.05 dB at omega is equal to 1 radians per second. So the factor contributing this is k by s, which is 0.63 by s. So plot between omega is equal to 2.5 and omega is equal to 10 is having a slope of 0 dB per decade. So you have to see the figure and refer that figure. So you can see in this figure the slope is 0 dB here. Okay, the slope is 0 dB here. Okay, 0 dB here, 0 dB here. Okay, and this can happen due to a factor in the numerator. So the slope has changed from minus 20 dB per decade to 0 dB per decade, and this can happen due to a factor in the numerator and is s by 2.5 plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 0.4 s. 1 plus 0.4 s. At omega is equal to 10, slope has changed from 0 dB per decade to plus 20 dB per decade and is due to a factor in the numerator and is s by 10 plus 1, which is equal to. So you can see here the slope has changed from 0 dB per decade to 20 dB per decade. So due to that, as the slope has changed from 20 dB per decade to 0 dB per decade and is due to a factor in the denominator is s by 2.5 plus 1, 25 plus 1. So s by 25 plus 1, which is 1.0.04 s. 1 plus 0.04 s. So open loop transfer function is thus g of s is 0.63 which is 1 plus 0.4 s into 1 plus 0.1 s divided by s into bracket 1 plus 0.04 s. So is it clear? When the slope has changed from 0 to minus, it is a factor in the numerator. If it is changing from plus to minus, so it is in the denominator. Okay, next we'll take one more problem. Determine the transfer function whose approximate plot is shown. So you can see this is the transfer function and its approximate solution. First we'll locate the corner frequencies. So you can see 2.5, 10, then 2.5 and 10 and 40. Sorry, the corner frequencies are 2.5 and 40. So only two corner frequencies, 2.5, 40. And you can see the change in slope is minus 20 dB per decade from 2.5 to 40. After 40 it is minus 60 dB per decade. So due to that the corner frequencies are 2.5 and 40 radians per second. Okay, so 20 log k corner frequencies are 2.5 and 40 radians per second. 20 log k is equal to 40 plus 20 log 2.5. 20 log k, 20 log k is equal to 20 log k is equal to 40 plus 20 log 2.5 plus 20 log 2.5. So 20 log k is 47.95 or k is equal to 250. K is equal to 250. So starting slope is minus 20 dB per decade. You can see here the starting slope is minus 20 dB per decade. So a pole at origin. So a pole at origin. So it is a pole at origin. At omega, you can see at omega is equal to 2.5 radians per second, the slope changes from minus 20 dB per decade to minus 40 dB per decade due to a factor of 1 divided by 1 plus s by 2.5. So at omega is equal to 40 radians per second, slope changes from minus 40 dB per decade to minus 60 dB per decade. You can see here. The slope changes from minus 40 dB per decade to minus 60 dB per decade. Okay, minus 60 dB per decade. Is it clear? 60 dB per decade, which is due to a factor of 1 divided by 1 plus s by 40. So initial slope is minus 20 dB per decade. It is due to a factor 1 by s. Therefore open loop transfer function is g of s is equal to 250 divided by s into bracket 1 plus s by 2.5 into 1 plus s by 40, which is 250 divided by s into bracket 1 plus 0.4 s into 1 plus 0.025 s. Okay, so this completes the Bode plot. I request all of you to solve the problems, understand the problem, and I'll continue in next part. Okay.